Okay guys, welcome back. Another quick video. This time it's going to be a few videos actually. This will be part one. Now I've had this sort of tabletop retro games machine for 7-8 years or something now. Now when I bought it, well, it was a flat pack case and then you just build up the internals. It's based on a Pandora box, which is just a little control unit that has all your arcade games on it. Not like a Raspberry Pi or anything like that. This was probably before the Raspberry Pi started becoming big. Now, I built this and it only took a few days, but I never completed it because once I got the games working, as soon as I switched it on and I had power, I just played the games. I didn't actually finish building it, which I always meant to get back and do it. But it's been sitting in a corner in the garage now for years. So I thought now's the time to get it back out, see what sort of condition it's in, and see if it's working first. But it is in a bit of a state. As you can see from the back, there is a lot of dust in there. It's basically, all it is this little Pandora's box unit here, little yellow box, and you have your power supply, very similar to a computer power supply, gives you several different voltages out, and then the LCD panel is just an old square LCD monitor for a computer, which I bought off eBay. I think I paid £20 for it, and then you just take it apart and take the screen out. The case was it's a flat pack MDF case. I think that cost about £50, and then you have all your buttons and joysticks. I think I paid about £45 for the buttons and joysticks, £20 for the screen. I think the power supply was £20 maybe, I think. See, it's that long ago, I can't remember. And there's the back of the monitor there, that's just the buttons. So all in all, it's less than £200 really. As I say, it's not finished. I never get around to actually securing anything inside or getting a little marquee poster or anything for it. All I did was cover it with this sort of fake carbon fibre vinyl and put a couple of speakers on it. So I never even attached them. So I just, as soon as I put power on, I was went straight into playing Street Fighter and Metal Slug and all the various other games that are on it. I think there's about 600 games. But see, it's one of the earlier Pandora's box. I think it's a Pandora 4, which I think they're up to about 11 or 12 now. So it's an old thing. It's just been sitting around. So I thought I'd spend a bit of time and try and get it back up and running again. Generally, it needs a power supply, a cable for the power supply, or sorry, a plug for the power supply, a plug for the Pandora box, and a plug for the monitor. And I'm going to get a little 10 watt amplifier to run these speakers. These are just old surround sound speakers off a really old CRT Toshiba telly I had 15 years ago that I found in the loft, brand new, still in the box. So I hate throwing anything away. So basically that's my plans for it. The joysticks, everything still seems fine. A couple of the buttons are a bit sticky, so that'll be the first thing, get the buttons sorted. Yeah, it's basically because it's been sitting in the garage when I've been doing a lot of work. They've basically just filled up with dust and sawdust and various other things I've been doing in the garage, cutting wood and things. So, yeah, there's only 2 or 3 sticky ones, so unfortunately without taking the sides off. The buttons are right the way in there. So I need to try and get my giant sausage fingers in there and get these buttons out. But other than that, hopefully not take too long. So this is just a quick intro video, letting you know what's happening. Again, cracking things these. You can actually buy new versions of the Pandora's box, which is basically just this section here. It's already pre-built for you, with all the buttons, HDMI leads coming out back, HDMI sockets, and this has all got like a Street Fighter artwork on it. You can pick them up for about £120–130 off Amazon. You get them even cheaper on places like AliExpress. Again, I built this 7–8 years ago, so might even be longer than that. So the plan is just to at least get power back on it anyway, make sure it's working. So I'll post any updates, but this is part 1 anyway. Okay guys, thanks for watching.